to the post-game press conference. You're here with our head coach, Coach Leo Austria, and later will be joined by the best player of the game, Don Fernando. Coach Leo, up to the final minute, Magnolia didn't make it easy for you. With their young guys like Jerome, Save, stepping up, and their veterans making big plays. What do you think made the biggest difference for your team to pull this one off?
Well, I think we're having a hard time to contain their pick and roll because they're always involved in war, and because of the players trying to extend their defense on their perimeter. That's why Dustin was having a good time making some good layup, and I think that's the key for them. But fortunately, our team don't want to lose it, and then kasama na kami aswerte. Imagine, we're leading the first half by 14 or 15 points, and all of a sudden wipe out and going to the last few minutes of the fourth quarter. But I told them, don't give up, still have a lot of time, and it happens. And then we forced them to commit a lot of turnover, and it's a stretch, and I think that's the key. And then before the start of the game, ipagpasahin ko sa kanila, the turnover points na binibigay namin is something 18, and then second chance point is 16, that's 34. But tonight, we only give up 25, and then no pass break yet, 9 pass break, kami pa nga may pass break But I think we're still lucky tonight.
Thank you, Coach Leo. Now, looking forward to question from our person with us.
Don, congratulations. Don, kumusta ka ba? Wala ka nung last game. Kumusta yung recovery mo going to this game? And second, yun nga, ikaw nag-deliver ng dulo.
Well, yun nga. Sobrang sakit yung dulo. Kaya naman pagkaroon mo last game. Wala, may ano siyang game. Medyo nabawasan naman. Kaya nakapagkaroon.
Yung 4-point shot mo, ano bang basa mo dun sa nangyayari kaya dinisay mong umihira yun?
Nakita ko, okay ako so nakita ko parang wala na yung wala. Kaya kumpiyansa lang ako.
Coach?
That's 4 points, hindi na ako magtataka dahil during practice namin, he keeps on taking that 4-point shot. And even when we're in Adamson, talagang malala yung range niya And then he keeps on practicing that kind of shot Sometimes nagagalit niya ako dahil first pass pa lang tira na. But this time, yung kanyang tira ay talagang necessary kailangan na. Meron siyang sense of urgency. And that's what we have done. And then sabi ko we need somebody who could spark from the perimeter. And if you notice guys, ang ganda ng battle scoring namin from bench at saka starter. That's 50 and 45. And usually 50-50 or close talaga yan. And then that's what I'm telling to them. Bench is really important in our team.
Coach, cover to one in 4 straight games, ano lang yung sabi mo na i-overcame yung Magnolia na nabanggit mo nga na isa sa mga malalakas?
Well, I think na-challenge yung pride mo especially yung last 2 games namin, last 3 games namin dahil actually, since the first game namin dito with Reno Shine, alam namin na Reno Shine is also a contender after that is Ginebra and then Converge and this Magnolia. And then I think yung pride is a challenge and if we want to get into the next round, I think we have to win at least 3 with this our last 4 games, but we're lucky naka-4 kami. And then I think yung sense of urgency nila naandun and that is because of the experience we got during the finals or semi-finals because that game is really you don't know who will win but because of that experience hindi sila natatakot. Andun yung grit nila and then ayaw nilang magpatalo and that's one thing na we have to develop yung winning attitude.
Coach, itong first straight wins nyo against yung mga big opponents. But before nung long break, may laban kayo sa Wednesday against Titan na alam natin sa ilalim, but recently they snapped the losing streak.
Yeah, every game, we're trying to emphasize to the team na whoever our opponent is, we have to do what we're doing in practice. And what happened today is talagang parang practice namin yung kay Don, talagang tumitira yung isang sa half-court ganyan and sometimes during out-of-town game namin, siya na another half-court siya ganyan kaya familiar siya doon But against the Titans, alam natin na yung team na yun they are out there to win game. But we don't know yet what will happen on that game because we have to respect everything in the PBA.
That ends our closing press conference. Thank you everyone. Congratulations.